Toyota has shared a fresh set of teaser images for what looks like the next generation RAV4, and its official debut is locked in for May 20th. While Toyota has not explicitly confirmed it, the design cues clearly resemble a camouflaged prototype spotted in Detroit earlier this year. That test vehicle featured production spec lights and bodywork, strongly hinting this is the real deal. From what we have seen, the updated RAV4 looks slightly larger with a more upright posture. That could mean extra headroom and a more spacious cargo area. The clean lines, flat surfaces, and larger quarter window align with Toyota's recent styling language, including the distinctive C-shaped headlights. Reports also suggest Toyota may keep building the RAV4 in the United States to dodge import tariffs. Originally expected to come from Canada or Japan, the updated RAV4 could instead roll out from Toyota's Kentucky plant. If so, production might not begin there until 2027. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss the world premiere and all future updates on this exciting reveal.